Hey guys, welcome back to Technoways. Today we have got something small, stylish and absolutely full of energy. The Paleo PIBS 4 Pro Plus Disco LED Wireless Speaker. Yes, it's a lengthy name, but now in today's video we will test it out. Is it really worthy or not? So guys, here's the box. As you can see, yes, it comes with 4 hours of playtime, long-lasting battery. It has FM radio, TWS and TF card also. And the side you can see we can get in these colors also, and on the side here we can see it can compatible with pad, phone, iPod, PC, and yes, it is a wireless speakers. Now let's unbox it. And we also got a USB charging cable, and that's it. And here you can see the coolest look. The design is compact and the LED mesh grille on the front instantly gives off those disco vibes. It's very lightweight and easy to carry, perfect for indoor and outdoor parties. So talking about the build quality, it feels very decent, plastic body but solid enough for the price range. But these grills are made from metal and it's all a full solid plastic body. On the top you can see the LED disco buttons, volume control buttons, and this is the mode changing button. And on the back here we can see TF card reader and USB port, DC 5 volts of type C port, and it is an on off button.
Welcome to the world of Paleo Bluetooth mode.
Alright guys, here you can see I have turned it on. Wow, those LED lights instantly kick in. Look at the color pattern. You get a multiple color changing effects that sync beautifully with the music. So guys, connecting is super simple. Just Bluetooth on your phone, and here you can see PIBS 4 Pro Plus. Just connect it and you are good to go.
Connected.
Our Bluetooth is not connected guys. Now let's play some music.
Invincible.
Wow guys, that actually impressive. For a 5-watt speaker, the volume is very loud, vocals are crisp and clear, and the bass has that punchy feel you don't expect from small speakers. Even at full volume, the sound doesn't distort much. It's definitely perfect for small gatherings or room party. And guys, you can see those LED lights instantly kicking it. Look at that color pattern. You get multiple colors. Here you can see I'm changing the patterns. Here we can see it is changing the LED effects. And again, I will press this button. It will off. It is a breathing mode now. Now again we will press the button, and now it's slowly changing the colors guys. You can see, wow, and now it is in very fast, affecting multiple RGB lights. Yes, and guys, you have observed that multiple colors are changing, that affects, that sync beautifully with the music. Yes, it really does look like a mini disco setup. So guys, coming to the battery life, this Paleo PIBS 4 Pro Plus gives around 4 to 5 hours of playback on a full charge, and charging it back take about 2 hours. So you can also use it via auxiliary or TF card if you don't want to use Bluetooth. So you can save your battery life by using this. So overall guys, this Paleo PIBS 4 Pro Plus Disco LED wireless speaker is very budget friendly and it's very handy. You can carry anywhere, anytime. This wireless speaker is fun, budget friendly and full of vibes. Great sound for its size, flashy LED lights and easy portability. What more do you need for a small party setup? If you like this unboxing and sound test, and don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more quick tech reviews and drop a comment below. Would you like this or not? And if you want me to make another video on something, so please, I will make it for you. Thanks for watching.